In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter data in WPS. This is a very useful feature when you are working with tables that contain a lot of information and you only want to focus on specific details. Filtering allows you to quickly narrow down what you see on the screen without changing or deleting any of your original data. Everything stays intact. You are simply controlling what is displayed. To begin, make sure your data is properly arranged in a table format with clear headers at the top of each column. Once that is ready, go ahead and select all the header cells for the data you want to work with. It is important to include every column header because this tells WPS exactly which parts of the table you want to filter. After selecting the headers, move your attention to the menu at the top of the screen. Click on the Data option, then choose Filter. As soon as you do this, you will notice small drop-down arrows appear beside each header. These arrows indicate that filtering is now active for your table. Now, let us look at how this works in a practical example. Click the drop-down arrow on one of the headers, such as the column that contains names. From the list that appears, you can choose a specific entry. Once you make your selection and confirm it, the table will immediately update. Only the rows that match your chosen entry will remain visible, while all other rows are temporarily hidden. This same process can be applied to any of the other columns in your table. You can filter by numbers, identification values, programs, scores, or even remarks, depending on the data you have. Each column works independently, giving you the flexibility to focus on exactly what you need at any given time. Filtering is especially helpful when reviewing records, checking performance, or locating specific information quickly. If at any point you want to see all the data again, you can simply clear or adjust the filter using the same drop-down options and everything will return to view. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.